You guys know this person, right? Thank you, Mr. Mark Saloman. Oh, and before I forget, looky over there. It's Phil Wells. He's gonna take a break on this song. Phil Wells on percussion. Phil was in White Collar Sideshow. Remember what? He was the pig guy with the pig mask. And I don't know what band this guy's from. He just stepped on stage.
Let's all rise, one.